Hey Earthling, my name is Kuro Senpie. I'm an award-winning cosplayer from the Midwest area, and today I will show you how to make Mario mustache. Yes, I know. You know the Mario movie that's finna come out and everybody and their mama finna go see it. Like literally everybody and their mama. I finna bring my mama, your friend's mama, your grandma's mama, all that. He's kinda hot though. And I'm gonna start about Peach. You know, Peach! You know, I'm so excited to say Peach. You know how much I love Peach. But anyway, yeah, this movie finna come out next month. I know everybody and their mama finna be cosplaying Mario or Luigi. So today I will bring you how to make Mario mustache. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so I went to my local micro store, and the materials that you need is 1mm of EVA foam, 1 felt fabric, a pencil, hot glue gun, and hot glue stick scissors. If you can, get a permanent marker. You'll see why I say that in a second, low key. And then we're gonna draw out his mustache. So you know Mario have the three circles. He has the 3 loops to his mustache, like the 3 dips to his mustache. You need to make sure you had like the 3 dips. And make sure you take your time with this part, cause it can be very tedious. And make sure that you got the corners inside the dips kind of deep, cause when you start cutting it on the EVA foam and felt fabric, it won't be as noticeable. But you like get like real deep, it'll make it noticeable, so you know that you got the dips in. Okay, now we're gonna fold the see, look, Yaya going live right now, so don't mind me. Why now? Okay, anyway, you're gonna fold the paper in half, and when you fold the paper in half, you're gonna cut that half. You're gonna cut faster. Any faster. Hi, Yaya. How you doing? Anyway, so we won't be distracted. And there we got the paper version of Mario mustache. Now we're gonna trace it out on the EVA foam. If you can, get black. My Michaels didn't have black, and it made this had extra steps. So you have black, good, but you got white, is okay, and that's why we got our black permanent marker. And then you're gonna cut it out. Be very careful, cause one slip up and you will mess up your whole mustache. You don't want to mess up your mustache. Act like you a barber cutting your mustache real quick. And ta-da, we got the foam version of the mustache. Now we going to place it on, get our hot glue gun, just glue it. Okay, we're gluing our mustache right now, and then you're gonna flip it over. Be careful with your hands. I burnt the shit out of myself while I was making Luigi's. But anyway, and you're gonna cut it. Make sure you get deep into the corners, cause you don't, your mustache won't look all pristine, if I use that word right. And yeah, make sure you cut deep in the corners. If you got black foam, good, but you got white foam like me, we gotta do some extra steps. And boom, that's what the back look like, and this is what the front look like. I think it look kind of good, kinda. Okay, this is why we needed the black Sharpie / permanent marker. So on the corners, we just gonna paint in black. Make sure you don't attach it to your face like me right afterwards, and so you won't breathe in all that chemicals. And next we'll get some tape, fold it into a donut. I call it the donut tape. And then we're gonna put it on the mustache. Figure out how you want. Kuro, figure it out. Thank you. She finally figured it out. Figure out how you wanna put the mustache on, and then literally that's it. You got the tape. Make sure you get face-friendly tape, or you're gonna mess your shit up. And boom, I got a mustache. Yep. Yep, that's me. Low-key, I'm kind of feeling this look. I might gotta wear it out sometimes. The one thing I like doing it about this way, because of EVA foam is firm, so it won't be blowing into the wind, and you can always redo it, like retape it and stuff. And yeah, that is how you make the Mario mustache. I hope this tutorial helped you out. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe button and see more of me. Now I'll see you in the next video. Bye Earthlings. Bye.